how to fix Snapchat video call issue. So if you have any problem with the video call on your Snapchat, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager like this. When you open the app, scroll until you find Snapchat and click on it, and then click on this for stop, and then the last thing you want to do here is go to the storage, click on clear data and click on delete. This includes all files, settings, accounts, databases. Anyway, click delete and go back to the settings. Go to the wireless, add networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it. And then open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Snapchat and click on update. That's it guys, very easy and simple. Don't forget to like, subscribe.